Hi guys, in this video I will show how you can quickly place bracket orders for options on Interactive Brokers TWS using Excel. I'll show an example where the bracket order has multiple profit targets and has an initial stop loss that automatically adjusts to break even once the price reaches a specified value. So let's get started. So I have opened the Excel tool and I have also logged into my Interactive Brokers TWS paper trading account. Now, let's say we are interested in purchasing this Amazon 220 call with expiry of 9th January 2026. We want to purchase 4 contracts once price drops to price level of 12, and we want to have 3 profit targets and a stop loss. So we want to have first profit target at 40% above the entry price with quantity 50%. Target 2 at 50% above the entry price with quantity 25%. Target 3 at 60% with quantity 25%. We also want to have initial stop loss that is 10% below the entry price, and that automatically adjusts to break even once price reaches the second profit target. Now let me show you the first way to place this bracket order. Please note that this method does not work for all option contracts, for example, US option contracts. So I've already configured this Excel. All I need to do is select the first row and click on place selected. And this transmits the 3 bracket orders corresponding to the 3 profit targets. And you'll notice that out of the 3 bracket orders, 2 bracket orders get rejected, and only the first bracket order corresponding to the first profit target gets accepted. And if we take a look at the rejected orders and take a look at the error, it says that rejected by system cannot have open orders on both sides of the same US option contract. That is, we cannot have multiple bracket orders simultaneously working on the same US option contract. So if the first method does not work, we can use the second method to place this bracket order. All we need to do is specify value of 1 in this delay column and click on place selected. So this method transmits initially only the parent entry order, and once the parent entry order gets filled, it then automatically transmits the 3 profit targets along with the attached stop loss. Now let's convert this limit order into a market order so that this parent order gets filled, and you'll notice that as soon as the parent order gets filled, 3 profit targets along with the attached stop loss get transmitted. So let's update this, and the parent order got filled, and we have the first profit target which actually got filled. Then we have the second profit target and the third profit target. Now let me show you how I have configured this Excel. So in the first section, contract details section, we specify the details of the contract in which we want to place the order. So for Amazon option contract, I have specified the symbol as AMZN, type as OPT for option, exchange as smart, currency as USD, expiry of 9th January 2026, write equal to C for call, and strike price of 220. Next, we have the market data section. In this section, Excel automatically fetches market data for whatever contract is specified in the contract details section. So right now I'm displaying 2 columns in this section, current position and average cost of current position. So we have current position of 2 contracts and average cost of 1548.5. Please note that since one Amazon option contract consists of 100 shares, therefore this average cost actually has a multiplier of 100. There are a few other columns in this section that I've currently hidden as they're not really required for this example. So fields like bid ask last, high low close, delta, theta, and IV. Let's hide these columns back for now. Next, we have the order details section. In this section, we specify the details of the bracket order that we want to place. So we need to specify the details of the parent order, target 1, target 2, target 3, and the stop loss. In the parent order section, I've specified the action as buy, quantity as 4 contracts, and since we're using limit order for entry, therefore I've specified the limit price as 12. Then in the target 1 section, I've specified the price as 40% above the entry price, quantity equal to 50% of the total quantity, target 2 price as 50% above the entry price, quantity equal to 25% of the total quantity, target 3 price as 60% above the entry price, quantity equal to 25% of the total quantity. And then in the stop loss section, I've specified the initial stop loss at 10% below the entry price, trigger price equal to target 2 price, and the adjusted stop loss at our entry price. So after adjustment, this stop loss becomes a break-even stop. So once we have configured this Excel, it then becomes quite easy to modify the profit targets, their quantities, and the stop loss. So let's say we want to change the profit target 1 to 30%. So all we need to do is change this to 30%, select the row, and then click on place selected. So I hope you like this video. Let me know if you have any questions, feedback, suggestions, or if you would like to share any specific problem that you face while trading.